Hey there guys, and welcome back to Experiment with the Viking. I'm Tommy Thor, and I'm saying it like somebody else is here. So yesterday, a weird package arrived at my doorstep. Well, it wasn't really that creepy, but you get the idea. So I got the package. Let's open it. My GoPro Hero 5 Black that I ordered. Yes. Let's go test this bad boy out. Record. Hey guys.
How's this look?
Kevin, what are you doing?
It's just... Look at my magnificent tripod.
So, what do you guys think?
Let's put them right next to each other.
Camera 1,
Camera 2.
camera 1,
Camera 2.
Camera 1, camera 2. Camera 1, camera 2. Camera 1.
oh.
Thank you. Hi puppy.
So also got this clamp. So I'm gonna try and put it on and see how it works on the skateboard.
Switch up the angle. Weird.